We Indians are facing a crisis. We are facing a crisis of rapidly rising burden of cardiovascular disease. The problem of hypertension, diabetes, obesity and dyslipidemia is rising very fast. That leads to coronary artery disease, that is heart attacks. The problem is the Indians are having these heart attacks at very young age, unlike in the Western countries. You can see many patients of 40 years of age or 45 years of age, they suffer massive heart attacks and they are still employed and their children are still in the schools. So it has got a devastating effect on the family. Therefore, our goal is to prevent this coronary artery disease to happen in our young Indians. Why this disease is rising in India? The main cause is rapid urbanization. We have changed our lifestyle, that is, we are taking fast food, we are not doing exercise, we are taking lot of salt, smoking is rising, we are taking not too much of vegetables or fruits, thereby we are acquiring hypertension, diabetes, obesity and dyslipidemia. The problem of these chronic diseases are the disease will not cause any symptoms. You can have severe hypertension and you may not be aware of it because it doesn't cause any symptoms unless it is very, very late. You can have respiratory distress, means breathing difficulty. You can have some chest discomfort. You may have some headache only in the last stage of the hypertension. Therefore, the hypertension goes unrecognized. And if the person is having this altered lifestyle, then he can acquire hypertension without his knowledge. And it can be detected only if it is checked or once the patient develops some symptoms or some side effects of the hypertension. Similar is the story of diabetes. Diabetes will not cause any symptom in most of the patients. And once the diabetes is overt, patient may have coronary artery disease, can have retinal disease, can have kidney disease. Thereby, we must at least check onset of diabetes by regular checkup. It is very, very important for persons who have family history of hypertension, who have family history of diabetes or family history of ischemic heart disease. Similarly, lipids will not cause any symptoms. You should check your lipid level at least 2 years interval. If it is normal, you check after 5 years. If the person is smoking, the chances of heart attack is very, very high. And this is the best way of preventing coronary artery disease, because if you stop smoking, you are saving money as well as you are protecting yourself but also your neighbors, because you know that passive smoking is also dangerous. If you are smoking, your parents, your wife, your children are exposed to the smoke. So if you stop smoking, your family is protected from the coronary artery disease. So this is one of the way of preventing coronary artery disease. To change our lifestyle, I will suggest that you must have at least half an hour of brisk exercise, means brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, at least for half an hour for at least 5 days per week. You should maintain your body weight. You know your BMI. BMI means your height and body weight, the waist circumference. All these have to be in the normal range. And to maintain that, you have to take diet according to that. You must have regular exercise so that your body weight is not increasing. If you have hypertension, if you have diabetes or dyslipidemia, it has to be treated by drugs. We have excellent drugs which can cause reduction of blood pressure, which can achieve your blood sugar goal, which can control your cholesterol level without much of side effects. In my experience, I have seen that many patients, once they achieve their blood pressure goal, they stop their drugs. Or if the blood sugar has come down to normal, many times the patient stop drugs. This is dangerous because if you are taking a drug that is to cause reduction of blood pressure, that is to cause reduction of blood sugar, and as soon as you stop the drug, it will again go back to the previous level. Then you must understand the problem of heart disease in the very early stage. Many patients will have some sort of chest discomfort, heaviness, and they will pass it off as gas, something with stomach problem. So if the person is having some chest discomfort which is increasing on exertion, means on walking, if the patient feels some heavy sensation in the chest, then he must consult a doctor immediately. It is very important for persons who are suffering from heart disease. Their family members must be checked for early detection of coronary artery disease. That can be done by ECG, that can be done by your regular screening of risk factors like screening for sugar, screening for lipids, your screening for blood pressure, and if any of these factors are there, it should be treated by either drugs and mainly by lifestyle changes. These lifestyle changes should be started in the schools because the children they will learn the things very fast. If a person is more than 35 years of age, he is not taking vegetables and fruits. If I ask him to change his food habits, it is very difficult. So the parents should teach their children that you should take a lot of vegetables, you should take a lot of fruits, avoid fast foods as far as practicable. The child will like your fast food. Once in a while he can take it, but in most of the days he must consume the fresh vegetables and fresh fruits. Any seasonal fruit is good. Regular exercise, maintenance of body weight, control of your blood pressure, control of diabetes, control of lipids will lead to a healthy India in long run. And we need that because in Western countries, those who have already developed because of their education, they are reducing the incidence of coronary artery disease. And in India, the incidence of coronary artery disease is rising very fast. This is because we are acquiring their habits, but we are not acquiring the knowledge. And my aim today is to teach you regarding the lifestyle changes that is a must for prevention and early detection of coronary artery disease. Thank you.